In a tragic turn of events, the occupants of the missing Titanic submarine have been officially declared deceased by the Coast Guard. The ill-fated expedition, aimed at exploring the remains of the iconic RMS Titanic, has ended in sorrow as no survivors were found. Furthermore, several pieces of the historic vessel have been discovered, shedding new light on the enduring mystery surrounding the ship's tragic sinking. The Titanic submarine, designed to resemble the original RMS Titanic, embarked on its journey to the depths of the Atlantic Ocean on May 10, 2023, with a crew of experienced explorers and researchers. The vessel aimed to gather valuable data and conduct detailed surveys of the wreckage, using state-of-the-art technology to capture images and explore areas that had previously remained inaccessible. However, contact with the submarine was abruptly lost on June 5, 2023, raising concerns and initiating an extensive search and rescue operation. Despite exhaustive efforts by multiple international teams and the utilization of advanced deep-sea exploration equipment, no signs of life or the submarine were initially found. After nearly 3 weeks of intense search operations, the United States Coast Guard issued an official statement today, confirming that the occupants of the Titanic submarine are presumed dead. The Coast Guard expressed its deepest condolences to the families and friends of those lost in this tragic incident. The statement highlighted that the exhaustive search efforts had been conducted with utmost dedication and expertise, but unfortunately, no survivors were located. In a glimmer of hope amidst the tragedy, the search teams managed to locate several significant pieces of the original RMS Titanic during their extensive search operations. These findings have reignited interest in the historical importance of the sunken ship and may provide valuable insights into the events leading up to its demise over a century ago. The discovered artifacts include sections of the ship's hull, portholes, furniture, personal belongings, and other items that have been remarkably preserved in the cold depths of the Atlantic. These findings hold immense historical significance and will undoubtedly contribute to our understanding of the Titanic's structure, interior, and the experiences of its passengers. The Coast Guard and relevant authorities are collaborating with historians, archaeologists, and maritime experts to carefully document and analyze.